Today, I guess we found out that we broke some records, some big records.
Yeah, here in Portland, we broke that rainfall record, and we were expecting it to be a really rainy day, especially when you kind of pack on that rain from yesterday, but we ended up breaking a record, so that just tells you how wet it was. And it's hard to break records in December because we do have some days that can be pretty wet, and so today was one of those days. A lot of it occurred through the overnight and into the morning hours. Now, let me give you that weather update. That's Portland. That's live behind me. You can see those low clouds still trying to eat down towards the city. But I just want to tell you that that flood watch has been canceled. It was originally supposed to be lifted about 10 p.m., but it was actually lifted a little bit earlier than that. So we're not dealing with that flood watch for the remainder of tonight. That just means that that rain is slowing down for now. We actually start winter tomorrow, and our first day of winter is going to bring in a little more rain. That's actually still at the back edge of this atmospheric river. All right, high pressure right here is going to nudge it to the north, so we're actually at the bottom edge of that, the southern edge of that moisture. So we're just seeing some fragmented showers, a bit more scattered for tonight. It's not nearly as steady and it's not nearly as sustained as what we had going on earlier. Notice that we do have the rain still pretty heavy through parts of I-84 there, east of 205. And then we still have some showers there just to the west. And as I mentioned, it slows down for tonight. You can already notice that down towards Salem, for you folks there, it's probably a little more quiet than what you had going on at this time yesterday. All right, heavier rain right there for Gresham over towards Sandy, probably Troutdale and into areas of the gorge at this hour. As Wayne mentioned, we had record rainfall today, 1.31 inches. And we may actually see that go a little bit higher. Previous record was 1961, 1.28 inches. So it was a day that we did have that record. All right, for tomorrow, more showers possible in the morning. I think if we have some dry time, it will likely be in the morning until we have a front arrive by probably about 4 p.m. And notice that the wind is pretty strong tomorrow as well. Temperatures in the 50s. Once the cold front goes through, you'll notice the colder air kind of moving on in. So for tonight, notice the FUTURECAST kind of brings those showers to the north. We were already noticing that on the satellite. That river of moisture is going to go to the north of us until we kind of see the back edge of it with that front. Okay, that front is not here by lunchtime, but it should be here late afternoon to the evening hours. This FUTURECAST here is about 4 p.m. Sunshine still for Central Oregon near sunset there, but then as that front moves on in, heavy rain, likely some wind right behind it, the colder air, which means ski resorts and the passes will start to see some snowfall as that cold air moves on in. You can see that right there. Tuesday morning, we still have some lingering snowfall, but overall should be pretty dry as we go into our Tuesday. I do want to note that we do have an avalanche warning for those mountains on the east side of the state. The blues of the Wallowas for tonight and into tomorrow. All right, tomorrow, 57 degrees, 56 somewhere right around there. Temperatures in the upper 40s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 44 degrees on Friday there, Wayne, for Christmas with a couple showers.
All right. At least we get a little break this week. That looks